Hi everybody, welcome back to Keto with Lee. Today we are going to be making what I call chocolate cream dessert dip. How's that sound? Well, it sounds great to me. I use it for my fruit like strawberry, raspberry, blackberries, and even blueberries. You dip your fruit in it and it's excellent. It's also fabulous with my chocolate pound cake. If you haven't checked out that recipe, the link is above and in the description as well. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe for a new recipe every week. Also, if you're new to my channel, please remember to visit www.ketowithlee.us for the written recipes and the macros. Now let's get to it. All right, everybody. So in here we have our heavy whipping cream. This particular one has 0 carbs. Now, I didn't mention this in the intro. However, just so you know, this is a 4-ingredient dessert, not including, obviously, the fruit. So, heavy whipping cream. Here we have our sugar-free chocolate pudding and pie filling mix. So this is the size you want, okay? So we're gonna pour this in and we're gonna beat this on medium speed for 2 minutes. All right. See that consistency? Ooh, that is what we're looking for. Just mix it up. Make sure everything's good. All right, looks great. So let's move on to the next ingredient. So now that we got our mixture here, we're gonna go ahead and get our sugar-free whipped topping. I don't think this is gonna work. All right, let me get our Well, when you're doing yours, make sure you thaw this out. I thought it was already thawed out enough, but obviously not. So I'm breaking mine apart. All right. Don't make that oopsie. So if you do that, if you're impatient like I, what you're gonna do is allow it to sit out for a few minutes and let it melt. Oh, it's already melting. Because we're gonna add our last ingredient here very soon. So I'm gonna let that sit for a few moments. So what I did was I let it sit for 5 minutes and it defrosted really well. See that? Now this bowl has a little nook on the bottom, so I just want to make sure it's all good. Alright, so now I don't need this hard spoon. Now I'm going to get the last and final ingredient, and then we can refrigerate this yummy, yummy goodness. Let's get this mess out the way. So, last but not least, here we have our chopped chocolate chips. These are the lowest in carbs that I could find in my local grocery store. They are 60% cacao. So I just went ahead and roughly chopped them. I'm gonna go ahead and put those in there. And now I'm just gonna incorporate them. Just get the sides. And that is all, guys. I'm gonna mix this really good. So hopefully get a little piece of chocolate. Now the serving size, this serves 24 servings, which is 2 tablespoons each serving. And the carb count is amazing. And like I said, it's for a treat. All right, guys, that is the mixture. So I'm gonna plate this, and this is gonna be our dessert. Try it and let me know what you think.